Established in 2011, VNCS is a subsidiary of Hanoi Telecom Corporation, one of the leading telecom and IT providers in Vietnam. Hanoi Telecom Corporation is in a business cooperation contract with Hutchison Telecom from Hong Kong to operate Vietnam Mobile, one of the 4 telecom operators with more than 2,000 employees across Vietnam. VNCS specializes in developing and providing network security solutions and services for enterprises, organizations, and government agencies. Different from most of other IT security companies in Vietnam, we operate with a model called 2D, distributor and developer. We are the distributor of many security vendors like Splunk, aict, Radware, Nexus, and in the same time we develop our very own security solution, and VNCS web monitoring is one of them. Nowadays, we got more and more attacks on cyber networks, and most of them target websites. According to research, more than 70% of cyber attacks target websites, and in Vietnam, it could be more than 90%. In many organizations, normally they just have 1 to 2 IT persons to manage tens of websites with millions of logs events every day. With limited time and capability, they cannot read and analyze all the logs to detect attacks on websites. A solution like VNCS web monitoring would help organizations to detect and analyze the attacks instantly and automatically. With a high level of expertise in IT security, VNCS engineers have successfully researched and developed VNCS web monitoring after over 2 years. VNCS web monitoring is an appliance that locates in your data center and receives logs from web servers in your network. When one of these servers got attacked, logs will be sent real-time to the web monitoring server, and then the web monitoring server would then automatically analyze and show you alerts on dashboard and also on emails and SMS instantly. Viewing these alerts, the administrator is able to respond immediately before attacker can go deep into their system. VNCS web monitoring has 5 main great features. First, it acts like a centralized log management system that can monitor many websites at the same time on one unique console. Second, it is able to detect various types of attacks like SQL injection, XSS, file inclusion, or even DDoS attacks. Third, VNCS web monitoring can provide manual log analysis tool. You can use this tool to track attackers' activities by filtering by IP address, for example. Fourth, it helps users to regularly check their website status to detect if their website is up or down. The last and most interesting function is website defacement detection. After taking over your website, hackers may perform change on your website. For example, inserting unknown photo or writing wrong information on your website. VNCS web monitoring is able to detect any of this change and alert you. So the question is, what technologies we use to develop this solution? At VNCS, we cooperate with many security vendors to build vulnerability database for website attacks. We also have R&D center to research new attack types and update to our solutions. We also use many complex algorithms and criteria such as asset value, threat level, and valuable level to count risk levels. IP reputation is also applied to detect the profile of an attacker. The last technology is web snapshot. From the web logs, we are able to restructure the website architecture without accessing to web source code and then detect any change on your website. With full control of the technologies that are never being used on any other solution, VNCS web monitoring caters to the current chaotic situations on cyber network nowadays and is a must-have solution for people who want to be secure.